You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land? It's your girl, ChinnaE, back to you once again with yet another short, quick video, letting you guys know what's real out here and how you can make money off these websites you may not know about. So in the last video, I said about Zodiac Psychics. I forgot to mention you get paid every week. Okay, so jump on that. They pay every week. Okay, and that's all I want to say about that one. So moving on to my Hire Writers site. That is Hire Writers. Okay, so this is basically a website where you can get paid to write. Okay, so if you got the writing ability and you're very creative mentally, and you can make a story, or you can do your research real good and create a story off of what they give you, then this is a spot to be, because there's plenty of assignments, there's plenty of work. All you have to do is sign up for free, join in, find work you want, and get to work. So basically, they have an affiliate program as well. The affiliate program is where you can earn $5 per person who makes a deposit or who signs up, basically. But you can make $5 per referral, and for a client that makes a deposit, plus you get 50% of residual income for any future profits that will be made off of the people you bring in anyway. So also you get 100% live reporting on clicks, sign up, and client deposits. That's 100% live reporting on clicks, sign ups, and client reporting deposits. Okay, so you get paid weekly from this site as well. They are accepting clients all from across the world. So this is worldwide thing, international. They have 6-month cookies. This ensures you get the credit you deserve dedicated to your account to help answer any questions. You can hit me up in my comments. I'll give you the answers to those to help you get started if you need help. And basically, you earn 50% of their net profits generated by each deposit the client makes. There is a $50 threshold. So you have to make up to $50 and over to be paid out. Okay? So basically, when you want to work and get paid as a writer, they have a $50 threshold. You have to make above that or at that range to be able to get paid, because they don't want you to just make 20 bucks and, you know, this and that, and I'm going to deposit just to see, I'm going to withdraw just to see if they're real, because you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. They're very legit. They do pay out. Just make sure you got $50 and over in the account so you can get paid every week. Okay, so this is not like sustainable income, but it could be to those who are writer bunnies, okay, who are creative and who can create stories out of the little that they give you to create the story from, okay, or article or whatever. But basically, this is a great site where you can earn just for writing. Okay, so go ahead and hit that link below, guys. It's called hirewriters.com. That is hirewriters.com. Okay, and always remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl, ChinnaE, out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because there's always more in store for you guys. And like I said, if you need any help, don't be afraid to hit me in my comments. Slide in my YouTube DMs. Slide in my YouTube DMs. Don't be afraid to ask for help. I will help. I do answer questions for people. I do respond. I'm not a robot, but I do respond to people who have genuine questions about working from home. Basically, you want to work from home, I have the ultimate websites for you to be able to have your arsenal where you can build your money up and make sure you can grow a sustainable business from home on your end. Okay, so make sure you go ahead and hit the link. It's called writers.work. Okay guys, so once again, you haven't heard it, so you heard it from me. It's your girl ChinnaE. Stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vid.